In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find HS code on Shopify. If you ship products internationally, i.e. internationally, the harmonized system code, often called the HS code, is essential. It's what customs agencies use to classify goods, calculate duties, and keep shipments moving. Today, I'll show you exactly where to add it in Shopify using the built-in bulk editor so you can update one or many products quickly and accurately. Start by opening the Shopify website and head to your admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Products. This is your central place for managing everything you sell. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search or filters to narrow down the list so you're working only with the products you want to update. Next, select the product or products you want to update, then click Bulk Edit. This opens Shopify's spreadsheet-style editor, which is perfect for making changes across multiple products at once. You'll see columns for common fields like title, price, and SKU, and rows for each product or variant. Now, click Columns at the top of the bulk editor. This lets you customize which fields appear in the grid. From the list, find and select Harmonized System Code. Once you enable it, a new column will appear in your editor labeled Harmonized System Code. If you don't see it right away, scroll horizontally until it's visible. This is where you'll input the HS code for each product. Click into the cell for a product or variant and type the code exactly as required by your region's customs guidelines. Keep the formatting clean, usually just digits without spaces or punctuation. If your product has multiple variants, make sure each row has the correct code, especially if materials or uses differ. Consistency matters, so it's a good idea to double-check the code against an official tariff schedule or your logistics provider's recommendations before you finalize. Once you've entered the HS codes, click Save in the upper right of the bulk editor. Shopify will process your changes and apply them to the selected items. Give it a moment if you're updating a lot of products. After saving, your HS codes will be stored with the product details and used automatically on customs forms and shipping labels through supported shipping apps. That's it. You opened Shopify, went to Products, used Bulk Edit, added the Harmonized System Code column, entered the codes, and clicked Save. With this done, you'll reduce customs delays, calculate duties more accurately, and streamline your international shipping workflow.